Good morning. Welcome to paradise. I am at Couples Negril here in Jamaica, and we are here to showcase some of the amazing amenities and beautiful amenities that this resort has to offer. I've got flippers on my feet. They're fins. Guess what I'm going to be doing? Not only do they have pool volleyball and aqua size here, they also have a ton of water sports out on the ocean, which we're going to be talking about a little later on. But they have one of the best dive programs in the Caribbean. And joining me is Karl, aka Sugar. Hi, Karl. Hi,
Hello,
Sugar.
Emily. Good morning. Welcome to my scuba class.
This is amazing.
Right.
I'm so excited.
And welcome to Couples Negril. All right, I'm gonna get you started by putting on your gear.
Okay.
All right, I want you to put your arm in. Let me help you to get into your gear.
I've never scubaed before, so this is something that is good for beginners.
No problem. That is the reason why I'm here. It's because, you know, I'm gonna show you now how to scuba.
Okay.
All right, so, all right, let me put this on the
It's heavy. It's heavier than I thought it was going to be honest.
All right, so put your Velcro together.
Okay, my Velcro.
Yep. And then there's a buckle right here. You're going to put it together.
So how do people get involved in the dive program here?
Well, you know, when they show up at the resort, we try to encourage them. You have some will just walk over by themselves, you know, and really want to give it a shot. But, you know, we have to talk to some of them, you know, to get them to, you know, get them interested. And
enthusiastic about it.
All right. And then by trying, and they get to like it, you know, they always want to do it.
Yeah.
A lot of them even said, you know, it's because of the diving why they come back, because we treat them so good.
Well, that's why his nickname is Sugar, because all the guests love him so much, because he's so sweet.
Well, I have to be like that, you know. I'm a people person. I just love people. So when people come around me, it doesn't matter who, you know, I just try to make sure that we all can be happy.
Okay, now, other than scuba, because I know we have an excellent dive program here, what other water sports do you have to offer the guests when they come?
All right, we have like kayaks, and we have like sailing.
Yeah.
You know, we even have a lesson at 9:30 and 1:30 for sailing.
Oh,
we have windsurfing. Yes, and we go as far as have even night snorkeling.
Night snorkeling? What are you seeing at night?
Well, a lot of things, maybe like
fish glow in the dark?
Yes, you know what happened? We have a light. Each person have a light.
Yeah.
So when we go night snorkeling, you know, and you start to show your light around, you can get to see a lot of underwater stuff.
That's so
especially
cool.
Octopus, lobster, and turtles.
I think I might have to do that this week while I'm here.
Yeah.
I think that needs to be one of my excursions.
Yes.
This afternoon, we are going to be heading out on a glass-bottom boat. We are going to do a chef experience. So that's coming up. You don't want to miss that. You've got your gear on.
Yes.
You're going to do up your Velcro. What comes next?
All right, I'm going to do up my Velcro, and then I'm going to teach you like how to breathe from your regulator.
Okay.
And then after breathing from your regulator,
we'll go under.
I would like you to learn how to recover your regulator. Remember, a diver could go diving and another diver kick the regulator out of their mouth.
Right.
So you want to know how to confine it back, see, and put it in your mouth and clear the water out of it. But first, let me get your mask, because you need your mask, all right?
I'm not going under.
Yeah, I know you're not going under. Yeah, so, all right, that is your mask. All right, so, so normally you can put the regulator in. This is the one you're gonna use. All right, so use this one.
Wrong one.
Yeah, so you put it in and you try to inhale through the regulator and exhale back to the regulator. Yep. Very good breathing. Deep and slow. Okay, so watch this now. If I'm underwater and I lose my regulator, you know, it would be behind me like that. So what I would do to find it back, I would lean to my right and sweep my arm like that. See? And there is my regulator. See? Then when I put it into my mouth, I push this button at the back. See? So what it does when I put it in my mouth and push the button, it pushes the water through the side, and then I can resume breathing.
All right, we're gonna get you to go under and see what it's like, because I'm not gonna do it, because I'm not certified yet.
Yes. No problem.
I'm gonna get you underneath the water just to see what it's gonna be like. Get you under the water to see what it's like
No problem,
to actually do some scuba.
No problem.
All right, Sugar, there you go. Okay, we have so much more coming up on Morning Live. You do not want to miss this glass bottom boat excursion.
Yes.
We've got a chef that's going to be cooking for us.
Yes.
It's going to be great.
Right now, we even add private cruise. We have a lot of people who come just lay on the beach, you know, not doing snorkeling and no other thing. They rather to just go out on a private cruise, which is very nice.
Amazing.
All right. So watch, you know, my regulator in, and I go down on the water.
Well, we've made it out into the beautiful ocean. Captain Vincent.
Vincent, it's famous.
Famous.
Vincent, yes.
What makes you famous, Vincent?
Because I'm good what I do. I know this water like my back of my hand. And I'm perfect. Good swimmers.
Yeah.
And I treat people well.
Okay, so why are we on here? Because we're
Okay,
looking at
well,
this.
we're down here. We have a beautiful reef over here. And the name of this reef is Negril Shoal Reef.
Okay.
It's a beautiful reef. You have a lot of fish on this reef. Nice coral, which you can look down there. You can see all the fish running around down there. Okay, these are Sergeant Major. You can see the Sergeant Major running around and the parrotfish.
There's so many.
Yes, there's so many parrotfish. So what we always do, when you come out here, we take people around, swim with them and show them a reef.
So they can go snorkeling off the glass bottom boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we ensure to make the safe on the reef. So we go with them, show them around, be with them and show them everything about the reef. Also, we have like a cannon and anchor over there. It's too close because a lot of people over there know.
Yeah, it's busy out here
Busy
today. A
over there
lot of
today.
people are checking out some of the fish.
Yes. Okay. Which there's a lot of stuff down there which you can see. We have like the fire coral. Okay. We go back to the reef.
Go back.
Yes.
It's a family-run business here with
Yes.
Vincent, which is amazing. He's got his sons working on the boat. You can get this glass bottom boat experience anywhere throughout Negril, but of course you need to come and check out famous
this
Vincent and his glass bottom boat because he's got one of the best experiences. We are seeing some really beautiful stuff.
Yes, man.
It's so
Okay.
cool. Look at those
Look at them.
little
Look at them.
ones.
Yeah.
They're just snacking away. And coming up in the next segment, we're going to be heading to Booby Cay,
Booby
which
Cay.
is right over my shoulder.
Yes. That's a
And-
good key island.
What are we going to do there, Vincent?
Okay, we're gonna cook up some steam for you, some nice lobster and fish, and rice and bean, and chicken.
And this is all part of your tour.
Yes.
So not only can you see amazing fish under the glass bottom boat, but you can go snorkeling right off the side. Then you go to the island. You get an amazing meal.
The meal is really great.
Yeah.
All right.
And it's so close to all of the hotels.
Right, and just like half a mile
Yeah.
just off the beach.
It's so close.
So very close. You understand?
It's beautiful.
Yes, so it's beautiful. And this island here is so sunny and beautiful also. And we have some wonderful people.
How long
like
do you stay at
guys.
the island for?
Well, we'll cook up over there like an hour and a half. They take 15 minutes to do the lobster.
Amazing. All
15
right.
minutes to do the lobster and the chicken, so it's very great. You're gonna love it.
I am going to love it. All right, looking
Okay.
forward to it. That's coming up. But for now, we're sending things back inside the studio. So one of the activities that you can do, not only off of the glass bottom boat, but when you get to Booby Cay, you can do some snorkeling and you can see some amazing tropical fish, beautiful coral. I'm here with Vincent. Famous Vincent.
Famous Vincent.
Actually, not
Oh,
just
yeah.
Vincent. We are famous
Famous
Vincent.
Vincent, yes.
And when you come to Booby Cay, you get a true, authentic Jamaican experience. You can't get anything like this anywhere else. Yes, I know it looks rustic, but the food is amazing. And they've started to cook it for us. What do we got here, Vincent?
Okay, we have a lobster. This is lobster coming off the grill. That's over here.
Lobster coming off the grill.
Okay, this is a rice and bean right over. We're gonna share the rice and bean right over here.
And I'm not joking when I say they literally brought all of this stuff in coolers and containers and cooked it from scratch for us. And this is part of the experience that you get when you book a tour on Vincent's Glass Bottom Boat. So you start off at your resort, they pick you up, you get a beautiful scenic tour throughout the ocean, you stop, you get to look at the beautiful reefs, you jump off, you snorkel, you spend some time with friends, you have a cocktail,
Yeah.
and then you get to Booby Cay.
And feed you some beautiful lunch, lobster and chicken.
Look at that
Okay,
chicken.
yes,
oh my, the
man.
smell.
Oh.
We had smell-o-vision. You guys would know what I'm talking about. This is incredible. So, how did you learn how to cook, Vincent? How'd you learn how to cook?
Well, I'll tell you something. I'm growing up as a tough kid, and my dad was a good cook.
Okay.
So I learned from my dad.
Another one? Another one. Okay, you learned from your dad.
Yes.
Oh, and you learned how to cook lobster perfectly.
Yes.
And it's too bad that you missed it, but we just had some of the lobsters actually being caught. They dragged in the traps. And I was like, oh, I guess this is lunch.
Yes, yes.
It is a true Jamaican authentic experience. So when you come to the island, this is the type of stuff that you have to experience because this is what the locals do. You want to, you know, when in Rome. Oh, look at the lobster. So we've got beans and rice. What's this?
There's a
Vegetables?
vegetable. Yeah, vegetable. This one right here.
Okay.
And this is sauce right here. And this is rice and bean right
Oh,
here.
yes. I saw somebody with a hot pepper and they said, do you like it spicy? And I said, no.
No. Okay, so I think it doesn't give no way.
Did you make it spicy? What's
and guess
this?
what? These are the fish. This, yes. This
we
is
see?
snapper.
Let's see.
Yes, you're gonna see.
We got to open it up here.
Yeah, man. Okay.
No, put it there.
Put it right here.
Put it there.
These are the snapper. Fresh snapper this morning. I wrap it in the file paper we're gonna see.
You caught this morning?
No, but I get it from a fisherman from the fishing
so it was
village.
caught fresh this morning. I was going to say,
Fresh.
okay, so first of all,
Fresh.
now you're catching your own fish too. Oh, that looks beautiful.
Oh, my
Eyeball
God.
and everything. Yum.
Whoa, wow, wow.
Apparently eating a fish eyeball is good for you. Is it?
Okay. Oh yes, I see more better.
Okay, well, we are about to chow down on this delicious food, so you have to stay with us on Morning Live because we are going to a very famous landmark here in Negril, in Jamaica. We are going to Rick's Café. You're not going to want to miss it.
Okay.
Now what?
So now I'm gonna put the rice in.
Wow! I don't think I would do that, Chris. I really don't.
Oh no, it's not for the faint of heart.
And we're at world famous Rick's Café to end our first day of shooting in Negril. This is the perfect spot to end your day.
There's no better way. We have the sunset going on over there.
Right.
We have the cliff diving over here, and we have a very active atmosphere.
Like, I am ready. I am ready for Rick's Café. Okay, so tourists and locals come here.
Tourists and local is a good way to get the vibe of Negril because it's like the biggest meeting point. It's a favorite attraction for
Oh
people
my
in
God,
Negril.
this is so much fun, and these people are so brave.
Oh yeah, I do. I haven't jumped in before, so
You've
yeah,
never done it?
I've never done it.
You are Jamaican, and you've never done,
I
but
have
this
never
should be
done-
like a passage of rights here.
Maybe you might encourage me to do it today.
Yes, Chris is going to go from the very top platform. Now, they do kind of presentations here, like where they do get the staff to go from the top platform,
So
right?
if you look all the way up where that Jamaican flag is, that's the highest point.
Okay, we want to show that the highest point, just to shoot the highest point way up there.
So where the Jamaica flag is the highest point, and it's only the staff that really jump from there because
Yeah.
it's very high up.
I guess, like, their insurance policy must be huge.
Must be huge.
Yeah. Okay, so you can come here to Rick's Café. Not only can you cliff jump, but what else? They've got food.
They got food, they got a nice bar, they got a good DJ as you hear in the background, and the best views ever.
Okay, so sunset views, this is the place to be. And I know a lot of tours will come here and they'll park.
Yeah, we have the catamarans, they come here and dock. Everybody loads up, they come up the stairs, and they just come for fun. It's just a fun place to be in Negril.
It is a fun party to end your day in Negril. So we've done some amazing things today. We showcased scuba diving earlier. We also went over to Booby Cay. We snorkeled. We checked out a glass bottom boat, and we ended the day with a little cliff diving and a beautiful sunset. Thanks so much, Chris.
I think that's a perfect day. You're
Yeah.
welcome, Emily.
It was a good
Come
day.
back anytime.
Tomorrow.
We do it again.
Yeah, lots more coming up on More